It sounds confusing, but it is actually simple. All the parameters that are in the left side of the slash are positional only argument. All the parameters that are in the right side of the asterisk are keyword only arguments. All the parameters that are in between can be both, can be positional and can be keyword argument. And here is an example. Let's say that we have this function defined as follow. It has two positional only parameters, a and b, two keyword only parameters, e and f, and in between we have c and d parameters that can be both. It simply prints the values given as parameters. To test the function, we are going to do a simple call, jp, the first parameter, 1, 2, given as positional arguments. I'm going to give the third argument also as a positional argument, the fourth one as a keyword argument, d equal 4. Then for the remaining all keyword arguments, e equal 5 and f equal 6. If I run the code, it shouldn't generate any error. It printed the values correctly. So this is the right way to call this function. Now we are going to try to generate an error by calling or by specifying a keyword argument defined between or in the left of the slash character. So I'm going to call jp function. The first argument will be 1. The second argument will be a keyword argument, b equal 2. The third and fourth will or must be keyword arguments. So c equal 3, d equal 4. Then we have the remaining keyword arguments, e equal 5 and f equal 6. I run the code and the error says that jp got some positional only argument passed as keyword argument. So this is the wrong way to call this function. Now we are going to test the keyword arguments that are in the right side of the asterisk. This is why we are going to call all the parameters as positional parameters. Run the code and see what will happen. It also generated an error, but this one is different. It says jp takes 4 positional arguments, but 6 were given. And of course, this is the wrong way of calling this function. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.